Hello, just a quick one on our FS Gold miner. Just want to tell you how it works. Our FS Gold miner work mainly on gold on 1 minute. So this is what it has given so far. So let's just look at the history. On the 10th of this October, this was transferred to this account, and let's just view what it has done. That 5,000 has become 5,852. So this is what it has done until. So it has done that within 7 trading days. So this time and on the 16th, so which is, when you count it, 7 trading days. So these are some of these till on the 16th. So within this time, this is what we have been able to get. This is 5,852. So it have been able to make $852. So thank you and have a great day.